on your screens? Very good. What can you see? Living things. Excellent. Okay, the definition of living thing. Things can grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called living things. Yes, living things can grow. Living things eat food. Living things can move from one place to another. Living things breathe. Living things feel. Living things have young ones. Yes. It's mean human beings, animals are living things. Okay, what can you think? Plants are living or non-living? Very good. Plants are also living. Yes. Can you see a seed? Yes. Seed becomes seedling and seedling becomes an adult plant. It means plants can grow like animals and human beings. In the same way, in the next image, the leaves of the touch-me-not plant drops when you touched. It means the plants can feel. Very good. In the same way, the sunflower turns its face towards the sun. Yes, it means it can also feel. Excellent. Now, non-living things do not eat food like living things. Do not grow, do not breathe, and do not have babies. Yes, examples like ball, car, clock, and book. Yes, these are non-living things. Now, living things and non-living things. Now, I'm going to tell you about living things and non-living things. The example of living things are human beings, animals, and plants. And the examples of non-living things are chair, bottle, meat, robot. Okay, non-living things cannot drink, they can't breathe, and they don't have need of food. Yes, they cannot move from one place to another place, but living things can grow, can move, can reproduce their young ones. Yes, they can move from one place to another place, they can eat. Very good. Now, here are some examples of living thing and non-living things you can see on your screens. Okay, after that, there is an activity and you have to solve this activity on your textbook page number 20. You can see many images on your screens. In this activity, you have to color the living things you can see in this picture. Okay? Now follow up reading page number 15 and 16. At the end, you have to answer these questions. Question number 1, differentiate between living and non-living things. Question number 2, name 5 living and non-living things found in the park. And question number 3, write characteristics of human beings, animals, birds, and plants as living things. Here is a table. You have to tell the characteristics of animals and birds, plants, and human beings. I hope you will enjoy your lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.